Well, something I thought you could never do is get one of these stuck. We've had a floater truck on our farm for 7 years now, and I've never had to be pulled out. But it's a new to us farm this year, so don't know exactly where all the wet spots are, and looks like I found one of them. So we'll get a tractor out here and hopefully pull it right out. It's really not that bad. I've actually backed out of worse. I've been in a lot worse situations and actually got out myself, but this dirt is just really sticky. So I'm gonna call for a tow. And the pull tractor is here. And we're out. I just wanted to show some of the efficiencies that we can get out of this truck. I'm in about half-mile long rows right now, and you can spread long smooth fields like this like 25 miles an hour, and if you go into, so at 25 miles an hour we're doing about 230 acres an hour. So you can get about 1,000 acres a day pretty easy out of this truck if you're in long and smooth fields and bigger fields. You can get some serious productivity out of it. So we're switching this afternoon, and we are going to spread MAP. It stands for mono ammonium phosphate. The numbers on MAP are 11-52-0, so it's 11% nitrogen, 52% phosphate, and 0% potassium, where the potash is 60% potassium. So there are no physical changes that we have to make to the truck. We just have to verify the weight with our scale here, and then tell the computer what the weight is. MAP is lighter than potash, so we have to tell the computer that, because the belt has to spin actually faster to get the same pounds like you would potash. So looks like this weighs right about 60, maybe 61 pounds per cubic foot. So it's about 8 pounds lighter than the potash was. So we'll tell the computer that, and that's really the only change we have to make. We just tell it that we're spreading MAP, and then put that change in there. So it's a pretty simple process. You go into your setup here. Maybe not. Maybe set up here. Yep. And we are going to do MAP 1152.0. Okay. Okay. Yep. Same settings, same spinner speed, and same gate opening. The only thing we change here is the density. So the last time we spread MAP, it looks like it was 62 pounds per cubic foot. So this stuff is just a touch lighter. So we're gonna put in 60, and that is it. That's all we gotta do. Hey guys, thought I'd give an end of the week fertilizer update. We are about 75% done spreading fertilizer. We got through, by the end of today, we will have done about 400 tons. We have probably 50 tons to go after that. I was going to do the grain bin update and the fertilizer update together, but it was a busy week and there was a lot of stuff that went on with the grain bin, so I'm actually going to make that a separate video, and then make this one a separate video. So that's the end of the week fertilizer update. The grain bin update will be later tonight, and these videos will come out probably within a couple days of each other. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.